Namaste. Good evening. It's a privilege and an honor to meet you all. Today we are going to discuss about rheumatological and musculoskeletal diseases with autoimmune tendency. Autoimmunity is a big topic now. How will you address these cases Ayurvedically and treat these conditions? Before going into that, I will just recollect the guna basis of all these things. Many would have heard this, but without telling this, it's very difficult to go into this concept of Dhatupaha. We, in a physiological sense of harmony, use the word arogasya bhavaha, arogyam, in terms of guna, as shida snigdam agneyam. Shidam snigdam but agneyam. That's a very interesting concept. Shidam snigdam but agni vardhanam, girdam. Shida snigdam agneyam is Hemanta Rutu. Then this becomes Adishida snigdam in Shishira Rutu. Then Ushna snigdam in Vasanta Rutu. Ushna snigdam is Avishanti, Masham is Avishanti, Ravi is Avishanti, Tilam is Avishanti, Matsim is Avishanti. Then Ushna Ruksham Grishma Rutu, Shida Ruksham Harsha Rutu, Ushna Tikshnam Sharad Rutu. If you see this textbook, in Shida Snigdha, there is Mandagni and Avanam of Pitta takes place, and the first chapter is Jura. And the last chapter, Ushna Tikshna, Dhadupakam, Vichurnidam, Kotham, all these things are told. Vadarakta. That's the end of the chapter. After Vadarakta, Dosha Chikitsa is not told. Dhatu Chikitsa is told. That is Rasayanam is told. My Guru, M.R. Vasudeva Nambudiri used to say, Labho Vayogi Shasthanam, not Doshadinam Rasayanam, Rasadinam Rasayanam. He used to tell like that. I remember him with gratitude in this context. So, in Dhatu Dushti, so there is an order of unfolding these diseases. If you take Charaka Samhita 80 Vada Vyadis, first one is Nagabedam, Nakam is Achedanam, and the last one is Anavasthita Chittatam, bipolar, cyclothymic personality disorders affecting the limbic system, and reticular formation and serotonin and other neurotransmitters. So first one is Achedanam, Nagam, and the last one, Charaka unfolds one by one from Naka and finishes with the higher mental functions. So it's very interesting. So in Dhatu disturbance, we call Dhatu Vriddhi, Dhatu Kshayam, Dhatu Dushti, Dhatu Bhagam, Dhatu Saidilyam, Dhatu Asamagatva. In Dhatu Vriddhi, obesity, metabolic syndrome. Dhatu Kshayam, we have Adivivayine, Vyabhikshine, Redasya Anantaraga, Chiyante, Dhadavaka Sarve, Radhayakshma Kshayam. Dhatu Bhagam, Vittam, Vidaktam, Sogunagi, Vidagatyasa Sonidam, Raktavitam, Vadaraktam. Dhatu Dushti, Vriddikshayatmaka, Gragani. Dhatu Shaidilyam, Nambudiri sir used to say, Dhatu Namcha Shaidilya, Pramegam Pandu, Dhatu Asamagatvam Shofam. So in Gragani, in the last context, when Agni digests food, if the food is not available, it disturbs the doshas. When it is disturbing, When doshas are finished, it goes to the dhadus. When dhadus are disturbed, the dhatu bhaga happens. The dhatu bhaga is autoimmunity. It is like a dog biting you instead of biting the thief. So this is very unique. Ojo Visramsam is another concept. It affects the bala. Balam, sakajam, kalajam, iktijam is there, but vada balam, pitta balam, kapha balam. Balam tasya ki vidbalam, vada balam, rajayakshma, agni mule balam pumsad grahani, prakritast balam sleshma prameha. So with that perspective, we will see musculoskeletal disorders which is having autoimmune tendency, rheumatological disorders, few diseases, so many diseases are there. One disease where we can treat very confidently, with my treatment experience I will share. First one is ankylosing spondylitis. Today we will talk about ankylosing spondylitis. Ankylos means to fuse together. Fibrous ankylosis, bony ankylosis. In rheumatoid also, you see ankylosis of elbows. This affects the men mostly. I have seen women sacroiliitis also. So they get kyphosis. They may not be able to turn the head, and the body will attain forward movement. Men are affected. It's again a group of seronegative spondyloarthropathy. In seronegative spondyloarthropathy, you have ankylosing spondylitis, psoriatic arthritis, Reiter syndrome, reactive arthritis, Bouchet syndrome, so many conditions. It comes under seronegative arthropathy. If you ask these patients some questions, we have got some questions. Do you have seborrhea? Do you get red eyes, uveitis, episcleritis? Do you have oral ulcers? Do you get urethritis? Do you get calcaneal pain? Do you get enthesopathies? Do you get inflammation of the tendon? If one of the six is positive, you may tell it they have got seronegative spondyloarthropathy. Seronegative spondyloarthropathy is a very big spectrum like Vadaraktam spectrum. Vadaraktam is a broad spectrum disorder in which you bring so much of so many rheumatological autoimmune disorders like Vadadika Vadaraktam, you can bring down Jogaran, Pittadika Vadaraktam, you can bring gout, pseudogout, calcium pyrophosphate crystal arthropathy, the SLE, Raynaud's phenomenon, cyst, mixed connective tissue disorders, collagen vascular disorders, and in Kafajam you can bring serum positive RA. All these autoimmune rheumatological disorders, we got to go to the Vadaraktam chapter to handle. This is a wonderful chapter. So we will talk about that. So ankylosing spondylitis, in cervical spine you use the word spondylosis. It is degeneration. It is root disease, everything. It is degeneration. But it is spondylitis, tuberculous spondylitis. Itis means inflammation. So you see the bamboo spine. Bamboo spine is not an external appearance. It is an appearance in the X-ray. X-ray, you see the bamboo spine. You see the sacroiliac sclerosis in the AP view of the X-ray. We get so many cases of AS. Early cases we pick up. They come with uveitis. They come with back pain. People imagine they have a disc problem. They do MRI. Lumbar spine, it will be normal, ESR will be elevated, CRP elevated. That is why I tell the students, when you get a young man with low back pain, you should do MRI, lumbar spine, screen sacroiliac and hip joint also. So that if you screen the sacroiliac joint, you will be able to pick up sacroiliitis. So men are more prone to the disease. Very common. Some diseases are common in men. So SLE, I have never seen an SLE case in a man. I see SLE, lot of SLEs in women. SLE we are going to talk very elaborately. It's hereditary. Some of the families are entirely affected. I have got a family, two brothers, twin brothers, and they are affected with this AS. You see the X-rays, calcification of the ligaments. There will be chronic pain, stiffness, morning stiffness, Kafagala, stambam will be there, fatigue, kyphosis. Pain, ask them to lie down and ask them to do external rotation of the hip, and you press the hip joint, which is called the Patrick sign, which will be very positive. Most of these cases will have extra articular features. They get eye problem, they get Hashimoto's thyroiditis, interstitial lung disease will be there, aortic stenosis can come. Some people with ulcerative colitis with SSA, we have seen Raynaud's phenomenon. These are all, don't think that I am talking too much modern medicine. These are all, this is science. We visualize whole spectrum in Vata Pitta Kapha without losing any values in the Vata Pitta Kapha. And these terminologies help you to communicate with the modern doctor in a better way. So, occasional inflammation of the colon, difficulty in breathing. Some young persons come to you, they tell, when they cough, there is anterior chest wall pain. That may be the presenting picture. So you may be treating as application of Nayobayam, Kashayam, Lakshadvelam, Dhanvandara Guliga, Urakshada Viseshatvam, Bhutmanda Rasayanam. But if you understand the case deeply, that may be necessary. So even that has happened to me. So in these conditions, we see all these HV, simple, ESR, CRP. ESR will take long time to manifest. CRP will manifest very short period. HLA-B27 maybe positive. 8% of the people it's positive. If it is positive, you have the chance of getting AS is more. Pelvic APV we take to rule out sacroiliac sclerosis. Now coming to the Vata Rakta Chikitsa spectrum, we have got certain principles only. The treatment starts with Tikta Rasa and ends with Madhura Rasa. Because the most suitable rasa for a rogi is Tikta Rasa. That is why in Jwara Chikitsa, Tikta Rasa is given importance. And in for a Swastha, the most suitable rasa is Madhura Rasa. The treatment for Vata Vyadi should end up in Madhura Rasa and in Sneha Guna. That is why in Vasti, Utkleshanam, Doshakaram, Shamanam, we end up with Sneha Vasti. The Madhura Rasam is Snigdam, Vata Pitta Samanam, Brahmanam, Rasayanam also. So the treatment will be ending up in Madhura Rasa. So if you take the Vata Rakta principle, Tikta Rasam, Madhura Rasam, Sneha Yukta, Mridu Virejanam with the Kshiram, Sneha Vasti, Rasayanam, Vada Pradanyam, Brahma Rasayanam, Pitta Pradanyam, Shavana Prasam Endra Bhargava Rasayanam, Kapha Pradanyam, Vardhamana Vipali, Ballara. So like that we will be doing. So this is considered as a Gambhira Vata Rakta. Kubjam Bhakya Abhyantaramayamam, Kubjam Bandhutvamevaja is told in Snayugata Vada, which resembles clinical AS. So Vata Rakta Chikitsa. What is Vata Rakta? Vada is vitiated by Ruksha Guna. Rakta is vitiated by Kadu, Amla, Lavana, Ushna, Vidahi, Agaras. So Vada Vriddhi, Rakta Vriddhi. Salaguna of Vada, Tikshna Saraguna of Rakta. Vada moves, Rakta moves. They enter into the Sandhisthana. Sandhi is see the Snigdha. Snigdha Guna. Sleshna Dargala is Sandhi. In Snigdha Sthana, there is Ruksha Vriddhi and Vidaha Vriddhi. When Ruksha predominates, you get degenerative arthropathy called osteoarthritis, Astikshaya, Sandhigata Vada, Prasarana Agunjana Yoga, Pravritinja Vedana. When Vidahi dominates, Snigdakshaya happens, there will be a fusion, tenderness, warmth, fever. You may be starting to do Siraveda, Jaluga Vacharana, Ellunisha Leva, Karithavattu, Dhanyamaladara, Dasamura Kshiradara, all these things. So that is Vata Rakta spectrum. So Vata increases, Rakta increases by its own Nidana, Salaguna Vriddhi, Saraguna Vriddhi, they go to Sandhisthana, Dosha Dusha Samurchana takes place there, then the Ruksham predominates, Sandhivadam, Vidahi predominates, Vata Raktam. There the Vata Raktam spectrum of disorders comes under, we can bring all the rheumatological autoimmune spectrum of disorders under these conditions. So Raktamokshanam and Jalugam are not very effective. Mukta Rakta Viriktasya Rikta Koshtasya Kushtinaha, like that it is told. Siravedam, we have to start in the early phase itself. We are doing Sneyukta Virejanam. Vasti. Vasti is very important treatment in this condition. First we will be starting with Tiktarasa. So in Vadarakta, Tiktarasa Guduhyadi. Madhurarasa Chadavi. So Amrudottaram Kashaya. In Amrudottaram Kashaya, Amruda is Vadaraktagram, Shunti is Agnidevanam, Haridagi is Anulonam, Sarkara is Prakshevam, some text say, some do not say. Amruda Shadangam, in Shadangam, Shunti is removed and Guduchi is added, wonderful medicine. Then Guduchya Kanam, Rasna Panchagam, Dadagala Visheshatvam is there for Rasna Panchagam. Indugandhan Kashayam also can be given. When we want to do Amavadana for these type of cases, suppose psoriatic arthropathy is there, that is serum negative spondyloarthropathy only, that is Bhavishyada Kushtasamam. When you say Bhavishyada Kushtasamam, psoriatic arthropathy, mixed connective tissue disorder, scleroderma, Raynaud's phenomenon, crust syndrome, all these look like Bhavishyada Kushtasamam in practice. So we have to do Amapadana for a Kushta disease. There we will be selecting Amurdotaram and Shaddaram. But in Kamalaswasa, if you want to do Amapadhanam before Snegavana, you will be selecting Indugandham, Vaishwanaram, Talisadi, Panchavalasam. So there, Tiktapadhanam we are doing here, Kadupadhanam we are doing. Tiktapadhanam is for Vadarakta type of diseases. Kadupadhanam, Kafanubandha, Tamakaswasa type of diseases. So this is the method which we are doing. Shaddaranam. Mahavada Vyadi Prasamano Yoga Chakradatta says. Mahavada Vyadi is Vadaraktam. Shaddaranam Amasegada. The reference is there. Palasya Dasimo Bhagaga Dharanam. 1/10 of the Pala is called the 6 grams is Shaddarana. The word Dharanam comes in Ashtachurnam also. Ashtachurnam also the word Dharanam is coming. Trigadaga Damoda Saindavam Jirage Samadharana Dapyam Ashtago Hindu Bhaga. It is coming. According to Aranadatta, 1/12 of a Pala is called Dharana. And Shaddarana Yogam is called as Padadi Yogam in Kushta Jigisa. In Kushta Jigisa, Yogam is told, reference is told in Amasekadavada. Then Pancha Samachurnam, Dr. Rajagopalan sir used to write this yoga. I learned from sir through his disciple, Dr. Manoj Sankarnarayanan. And this contains Trivrutan, the Palasuddhi is Amavadagaram. Palasuddhi is there. So that is this yoga. And Snegavanam, after this Deepana, Pachana, Guguliditagaram, Mahadittakam, Shatpalam, Ksheeravala, Dhanvandaram, Indugandham, Madhishtiyaderam are selected. So Gugulidittakam is Vada Kafagara, Ushna, Rakta Prasadana contains Balladaka. Many drugs contain Balladaka where Ushna Jalam is contraindicated. Gugulidittakam, Balladakam, Varnadi, Balladakam, Narasimham, Balladakam, Bhavishalam, Balladakam, Kankayanam, Balladakam, Dhanvandaram, Balladakam, Saptasamaguliga, Balladakam. So these contains Balladakam. Before giving, you should know that this drug contains Balladakam. It should not be given in Pitta Prakriti. This should not be given in summer. Vyavat can come. You should be aware of that. Tiktakam and Mahadiktakam, they are same. Mahadiktakam contains Amalagi. For usually for Purvarma, we will be selecting Tiktakam. For Samana Rasayana, we will be selecting Mahadiktakam. 50% of Mahadiktakam is Amalagi. Amalagi is Rasayana. Then Ksheeravala and Madhushtiyadi, both are Madhurarasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Ksheera Virya, Snigdha Guna, Vadavitta Samana, Brahmana. So Vadavitta Samanam, Rakta Prasadana Yogas. Vadavitta Samanam, Rakta Prasadana Yogas, we will be going for Amrudadi, Balaguduchiyadi, like that. So Yashtimedidairam, Pindadairam, lot of references are there. Sarangadana says you should add Yashtimadu and Yarantadairam. Pindadairam, Aranalam is there. Samadu Chishta. Some people add Kadi, Aranalam and make this. Pindadairam, Kalkam is not filtered. According to Venkata Subramanya Shastri, who wrote a beautiful commentary in Tamil, he says Kalkam need not be filtered. It attained Pinda Swarupa. In Aranala they told Sarjarasam, Maruthu Vellai. It is called Maruthu Vellai in Tamil. So Aranala Dailam, Pindadailam, there are various methods of Pindadailam. Mahapindadailam is there, Rujagaram, Dagagaram, Aranala Dailam, Amrudadi Dailam, two Amrudadi Dailams are there. One is in Kasa, another one is in Raktavitta. In Vadarattam also there is one Amrudadi Dailam in Kerala text. Then for Vada Kapha Hara, so in Sandhi Sthana, Vada Kapha Hara, Ushna, already you would have heard this. For Vadam, there is a Rasa, Pittam, there is Rasa, Kapam, there is Rasa to pacify. Vada Pittam, Mother Rasam is there, Pitta, Kapam, Mother Rasam is there. So for Vada Kapha, there is no Rasam, so we are going for Viryam. So Rasnadi Levam, Potanjukadi, Grahadumadi, all these levas are applied in the first phase. During Jaravastha, levas are not applied. Then Dasamula Shridat Kshiradhara, Kubilu Kshiradhara, Kubilu Mula Kshiradhara, Angavarda Prasamana Gana is needed. Swedanam is usually contraindicated in Pramega and Vadarakta, but slightly we do. Jambira Vinda Swedam, Patra Bodal Swedam. Sometimes it aggravates, we should be very careful. Segam, Navarakadi and are very rarely needed. Then Nimbamrada Yarandam Virejanam. Virejanam is given in Kapha Jirna Gala according to Ashtanga Sankaraga. Usually by 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning we have to give Virejana medicine in Kapha Jirna Gala. When Vega starts, then you should start giving hot water. Hot water should not be processed with all these herbs. It is hot water means simple hot water. Vada Kapha Prananam Avalambanam. When my Guru Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir I was with him, he developed some chest pain, angina. So at that time I and another student was there. So sir asked Dhanvantara Gudiga and Kasturi Adi Gudiga. So my friend took Kasturi Gudiga, Dhanvantara Gudiga and gave it to sir and took water from the pipe and gave it to him. He got very angry. So somehow he swallowed the medicine. After that, night 2 o'clock, he asked us to bring the book. Then he asked us to read Jwarajikitsa. In Jwarajikitsa, he asked to read the Ushna Jala Prayoga. In Ushna Jala, the word Prananam Avalambanam is coming. So he saw the word Prananam Avalambanam. Then after angina attack, he told, when I am in a dying stage, for Vada Kapha Avarana, Gulmam, Hridayam, Gulmasthanam, you should give Ushna Jala, you should not give Shita Jala. Useless fellow, you have given Shita Jala. At that time we were young, 16, 17 years. Now the memory is still there. Memory of living with our masters. Likewise, I have beautiful memories with M.R. Vasudeva Nambudiri sir also. Then Rasna Saptagam, Rasna Yarandadi. All these things are Vada Kapakara, Ushna in nature. Rasna Saptagam, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Triga Viseshatvam, Sundi Prakshepam. Triga Viseshatvam is sacroiliitis only. Rasna Panjagam, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Amagaram, Sarvadadu Viseshatvam. Sugumaram, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Mutramarka Viseshatvam. Chiravilvadi, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Sushkarshas Viseshatvam. Saptasaram, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Yoni Viseshatvam. Varunadi, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Mutragada Viseshatvam, Urustamba Viseshatvam. Like that, Rasa Herandadi, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Kadigragam, Sofam, Vada Raktakanam, etc. So likewise, there are so many Gandharvastadi, Vada Kapagaram, Ushnam, Koshta Viseshatvam. In that also, Lavanam is the Prakshepadrabhya for Vayu, Abonavi, Gudam Srishta Vinmutratvam. It is a Prakshepadrabhyam for Vilonavi. Oi, Lavanam, Abonavi, Amlena Saka Samyuktaha, Satishna Lavano Rasaga, Madhuryam Pajade Atyartam, Tishna Bhavam Munjadi. So we will be giving Lavanam for Abonavi in Gandharvastadi Kashaya. Balaguluchi Adi, Balaguluchi, Devadaru, Gugulidiktakam Kashaya. Usually there are two opinions. A Gana can be converted into any form, Asava form, Arishta form, Kashaya form, Surna form. But Yogam should not be converted. But Gugulidiktam is converted, Kalyanagam is converted, Mahadiktakam converted. Senior Vaidyas have done, we are doing that. Sadavari Chinnarupadi Kashaya. Sadavari is Madhura Rasa. Chinnarupadi is Tikta Rasa. Tikta Madhura combination is the best combination for Vadarakta autoimmunity. So this Shatavari Chinnarupadi contains Kogilaksham also. That is the wonderful beauty of this yoga. One of the best yogas for Vadarakta spectrum of disorders. Everything is spectrum. Joram spectrum, Adisaram spectrum, Gulmam spectrum, Gregani spectrum. Vadarakta very big spectrum. So in the later phase, we will be giving Kshiravasti. Guduchiyadi Ganasiddha Kshiravasti. Lagu Panjamoola Kshiravasti. Panjamolasya Datriva Raso Relidagi Vasam is told in Vadarakta. Kaniya Panjamoolam there told in Kamala. So Amruda Guguru, Kaishora Guguru. Kaishora, even you cannot study the whole yoga. That is why we teach in our Gurukulam simple ways. I have written in my Sahasra Yoga book and other CDs. Simple. Kaishora Guguru. Main ingredient is Guduji. Second ingredient is Trivrit. It is a Pitta Shamana Gugulu. It is not a Vada Kafagara Gugulu. It is given in Pittadiya Vadaraktam. Pittadiya Vadaraktam practically SLE, gout, pseudo gout, MCTD, etc. Anubanam, Vasadika Shayam. With Vasadika Shayam, it is given in eye diseases. Practically, it is given in diabetic retinopathy. Like that, we simplified and we teach. We teach around 1,000 yogas are available now. If you start by hearting, how much you will by heart? In young age, you by heart. Now I forget everything. A short-term memory loss. See, you have got recording, retaining, recalling, and retaining is going away. Purve Vayase Madhyava, everybody should take some Rasayana, Gokshara Gugulu. Simhanada Gugulu contains Gandhagam and Yarandadaila. Today morning, one person asked me, sir, can we do Kramavurdi, Yarandadaila, Achesnagavana? We had discussion in the morning. Gokshara Gugulu, Rasamanikyam. Rasamanikyam, Talagam is processed with Dadi and Pushmanda Sorasa in the upper plates. It is kept and heated, and my Guru Vaidyanatha sir used to give that in Vadarakta. Narasimha Reyam, 2 Narasimhams are there. One is in Rasayana Prakaranam, that contains Balladagam. Another one is Naradan Shurnam, Dandabani Prayogam, that is Chakradatta Rasayana Prakarana, that also contains Balladagam. Madhusnigi. Madhusnigi, I asked one Vaidya from Kerala, sir, how do you make Mulakasavam? He told me, we don't add Mulakam. In the place of Mulakam, we add Madhusnigi. That was the new information. Anuvasana. Kshiravalaadailam, Madhushtiyadidailam. Then Ardhamatrigavasti, Dashamulam, Madanavalam, Ardhamatrigavasti, Guduchiyadi Ganasiddha Yavanavasti, Matshigam, Lavanam, Snegam, Kalkam, Kashayam, 600 ml is given, and Guduchiyadi Gana Yavanavasti is there. Kshiravasti, you can do various kalpanas, Kogilaksham, Bala Guduchiyadi, Guduchiyadi, Shatavari Chinnarupadi. All these things are made into Kshira Kashayas. These Kshira Kashayas are used for Dravadravya in Vasti. Vardhamana Vipali. Vardhamana Vipali in Kapha Pradhanya Vadarakta conditions, Vardhamana Vipali is very good. Vardhamana Vipali, Palasudi, Vadaraktam word is mentioned. Usually starts with Vipali is called Kana, Vaidehi, like that. So many Pariyayams are there. These Vipali, 10 Vipalis are started every day. Then 10th day, 100 Vipalis they will be taking. Then 19th day, 1000 Vipalis will be completed. Then milk and Kshiram is the Anubanam for that. Chaga Kshiram is not available nowadays. Kimsukat Sharam is given. Otherwise, Vipali alone when we give, it will produce metabolic acidosis. That is the reason why Vipali, Sharam, Lavanam should not be given more than 15 days without Rasayana protocol, because they will bring metabolic acidosis. That is why Sharam is added along with that. Some people they are having very good strength, Kalkam is given, or Kashayam is given, or Churnam is given. So, Vardhamana Vipali is a wonderful prayogam, ankylosing spondylitis. Also, we should do a dosha vikalpam, whether Vada is predominant, Pitta is predominant, Kapha is predominant, and do Amshamsa Kalpana in the selection of medicine. If Vada is predominant, you should go for Rasana Yarandadi like. If Pittam is predominant, Shatavari, Chinnarupadi type, Bala Guduchiyadi type. When Pittam is predominant, you should go for Kaishora Gugulu. When Pittam is predominant, you should go for Kshiravasti, Shavanaprasam. Like that, you have to do Amsamsa Kalpana based on the Avastha Visesham. Vikriti Parampara you have to see and do the needful. Now we will come to the psoriasis, arthropathy. Psoriatic arthropathy is very common. I told Bhavishyada Pushtasamam. It's also a Vadarakta spectrum of disorder. It is non-infectious disorder, chronic disorder, inflammatory disorder. Papulosquamous lesions are seen. Remission and relapse, bhutva, exacerbations are seen. Many people come with a hope. Deformities, damani anguli santinam sankojam. It's a beautiful word. Damani sankojam. Raynaud's phenomenon. Raynaud's disease. Damani sankojam. Goose sign. Ask the patient to do like this, the color of the tip will change in Raynaud's disease. Ask them to put it in cold water, the color will change. Blue color and cyanotic colors, they will change. So this Dhamani Sankojam, we explained. Anguli Sandhinam Sankojam, see the observation. Swan neck deformity, buttonhole deformity, ulnar deviation, isectum deformity, flexion of distal interphalangeal joint associated with hyperextension of proximal interphalangeal joint, swan neck, flexion of proximal interphalangeal joint associated with hyperextension of distal interphalangeal joint is called buttonhole. In OA you get Heberden nodes, Butchert nodes or osteophytes accumulation in the joint space. So nail changes, psoriatic nail changes and seborrhea are commonly seen, and two classical features, sausage, digit and arthritis, mutilants. You see this X-ray changes, asymmetrical it can be, again same types of investigations. In all cases, I checked total count and urea creatinine, LFT, urine microalbumin, because these diseases, especially in SLE, they may get lupus nephritis and they get interstitial lung disease, and in SLE you get leukocytopenia, thrombocytopenia, low platelet count. Many modern doctors, not all, are antagonistic to our Ayurvedic system of medicine. So when you say you take Ayurvedic medicine, your kidney is gone. Kidney will not go. Only a wrong prescription, wrong medicine. If you are using with correct sense of clinical wisdom, it will not happen. So first itself when we screen this, after 3 months when we screen, if it comes, it may be due to disease or it may be due to the drugs. But we cannot say that Ayurveda is totally side effects free. I have seen idiosyncrasy of drugs. I have seen drug-induced hepatitis in my practice. Drug-induced nephropathy I have not seen much in practice. The lakhs of cases we have seen. Drug-induced hepatotoxicity, idiosyncrasy, we have documented. So we cannot say 100% it is safe. It is true, probably due to environmental changes, pesticide, wrong collection of herbs, not due to mistakes in the kind. We should be aware. We should be aware and we should be careful that we should not miss anything. And because of our ignorance, because of our arrogance, patients should not suffer. Don't hate modern medicine. Why should you talk on bad about modern medicine? Because of modern medicine only, diagnostic errors are reduced. For Gulmam, it's an Ayurvedic diagnosis. There is modern, no modern. Udavartam, it's Udavartam only. There is no Jwaram only. It's not fever. Pandu only. Shofa only. But once you do a supinata reflex, once you find a murmur, once you find a Hoffman sign, once you do a goose sign, once you do a pull sign in Parkinson, these are all simple techniques without spending any money, my dear students. Amazing. The joy you get in diagnosis by these simple methods. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, Moola Siddhanta plus common sense is equal to diagnosis. So, Rakta Prasadam. Here, Kapha Pitta. More Pitta Anubandha. There, Vada Kaphakaram Ushnam we have selected. Here, Tikta Rasa, Rakta Prasadana, Vada Raktagna, Aushadam is selected. Amrudottaram, Navakarshikam, Tiktagam, Manjishtaram. You see that? We are going towards Rakta Prasadana approach. Tikta Rasa Pradanyam, they are Vadakara in nature, Rakta Prasadana in nature, Vadagaram Rakta Prasadanam in nature. That's why I tell whenever you select a medicine, it should be Dosha Pratinigam, Vyadi Pratinigam, Ubaya Pratinigam, Mukhya Dravya Visheshatvam, Sthana Visheshatvam, Prakarana Visheshatvam. Because students are surrounded, so many students are around me. They ask me, sir, why did you write Navakarshikam in this case? They know how to ask questions. They don't answer, that's another story. But they ask questions. But I have to tell, because I am a teacher, I will tell, sir, this contains Balaguduchi Adi, Balaguduchi Devadaru is there, this is Vadagaram, Pushtakanam, this is Koshtakasirsham, it looks like gout. So, it is I know it is. There we have to give that Tikkarasam Rakta Prasadanam. So I have selected this. Why you did not select Ashtavargam? Ashtavargam is not having Vadarakta property. It is Vada Kapagara, Ushna, Avaranagana, Sarvadega Visheshatva. Conditions like motor neuropathy and stroke, infarction, recovery. I would have selected. Here I didn't select because Samprapti Vigadana will not take place. That is the point. So Girdam, Gugurudiktakam, Mahadiktakam, Dhanvandaram, Arabhada Amridadi, rare cases Kalyanagam. Snegapanam in Vadaraktam, Madhyama Snegapanam, usually Kasam Mrudu, Pushtam Vadaraktam, Madhyamam, Unmadam, Uttam. That's what practical protocol in the hospice. So Madhyamam, Ashtangradam, Uttamam, Sankaragam, both references. Susruta says Yadabalam. Then Abhyangam, Arabhadadi Dhara, Takradhara. So, drugs which is anti-vada, anti-skin. Pindadailam, Mahapindadailam, Yeladidailam, Vetpaladailam, Balaguduchadidailam, Eshtimadidailam, Amrudadidailam, Aranadailam. Here we did not select Kotanjukadi, here we did not select Chinjadi, here we did not select Vishagarbam, here we did not select Vishamushti, here we did not select Dhanvandaram, here we did not select Prabhanjanam, here we did not select Mashadailam, here we did not select Prasaranyadi. They are Vadagaram in nature, but not Rakta Prasadanam in nature. Pindadailam, Yeladi, Puduchiyadi, Yashtimadu, Madhyashtiyadi, they are Vadagaram Rakta Prasadanam in nature. That is why Dosha Pratinigam, Vyadi Pratinigam, Ubaya Pratinigam drugs are selected here. Then Nimbamrata Yaranda Virejanam, Vadagaram, Rakta Prasadam. If it is Kadigaram, we would have selected Nirgundi Yarandam. If it is Pumsavanam, we would have selected Sumara Yarandam. If it is Jaram, we would have selected Puvan Gurundalai, Sagadevi Yarandam. So there are so many things are there. Kaishwara Guguru, Amrita Guguru, Shaddaranam, Idivalladi Medigi, Gandhagavaspam, Rasamanikyam. Panjadikta Vasti. In Kushtam, Vasti is contraindicated. But Chakradatta last word says, Avastam Prapi Nirdishtam Pushtinam Vasti Karmana. Siddhisanam, there is a Vasti. So when Avastas are demanding, Vasti can be done in Kushtam also. So Panjadikta Vasti, in Panjadiktam, Rasna is there. That's a Sarshapam is the Kalkam. Of course, the routine protocol we can do in psoriatric arthropathy. The Panjadikta Vasti is very effective. With Balaguduchiyadi or Amrudadi Dailam Anuvasanam, it is very effective. Madhyashtiyadi Rasayanam, Balladaga Kshira Kashaya, Balladaga Gridam is available. We can buy in a Siddha company called SKM. So you can buy a little bit Balladaga Gridam and add Balladaga Sarpi. The Siddha people use very low dosage of Balladagam, but we use a lot of Balladagam. Balladagam, Tuvaragam, we need sufficient. Tuvaragam is also a beautiful rasayanam for psoriasis. Tuvaragam has to be collected. Tuvaragam has to be, the oil has to be made. Now we buy the oil. Then it should be subjected to certain Dhanya Rasi Prayoga. Then it can be processed with Kadira Kashaya. It can be given for 5 days. There are certain diet protocols. It can be given for 15 days. 1 month protocol is there. 50 days Nasya is there. Vomiting happen, purgation happen. Susruta says even Panchakarma fails. Tuvaragam is effective. Dalgana comments on that and says in Astigada Kushtam itself, probably leprosy, because all these things happen. Tuvaragam is so wonderful. So Tuvaragam is such a challenging medicine, very good medicine, and we should do it. Before doing Tuvaraga, you should do whether any atrial fibrillation is there, portal hypertension is there. All these things has to be ruled out. You cannot directly go for Tuvaraka, you should admit the case. So it's very interesting that the 5 days prayoga and the diet with the Yusha, less salt must be there. Tuvarakam is a wonderful medicine for Tuvarakam. Takardara alone are the two most important, challenging, practically useful, successful procedures I have seen in the practice. Chitrakam is there, so in Sutra only we will give Chitrakam. Now we come to the osteoarthritis, even though it is not autoimmune, it's very common and it's a rheumatological disorder. Weight bearing joints is the bread and butter. Without Kadikaraka and OA, many Ayurvedic doctors would have suffered and starved. People come with knee pain, the weight bearing joints will be affected, hip joint will be affected, cervical spine will be affected, there will be spiking, tibial spiking, loose bodies, Becker's cyst, and genu valgum deformity will be there. So you see the hip arthrosis here. 2-3 types of approaches where you see the Heverden notes, Butchard's notes, Vadapurna Didisparsam, Prasarana Agunjaniyogo, Pravritim Chevedana. Here, Vada Kafagara, Sthanika dosham is Kafam, Agandaka dosham is Vayu, Sthanika dosham is Shidam, Agandaka dosham is Shidam. Ushna Prakriya has to be given. So, we tell the students, what is the Sthanika dosham? Kafam. What is the Agandaka dosham? Vayu. Which gunas links? Shidam. What is the medicine you have to give? Ushna. Tell one Ushna Viryadeila, Kotajukka. What is his age? 70. Whether he needs Ushna or Ushna Brahmana, Ushna Brahmana. Whether Kushna Kotajukadi is Ushna or Ushna Brahmana, Ushna. Please tell Ushna Brahmana, Mahamashatena. Correct. Right? Mahamashatena here. Likewise, you should do Ushnam, Ushna Brahmanam, Shidam, Shida Brahmanam, Santanadi, Shidam. Narayana Delam Shida Brahmanam, Shiravala Shida Brahmanam, Adhishtyadi Shida Brahmanam. These gunas, once you know and it's addiction, you enjoy. You name anything, you see any yoga, you read a yoga and this guna comes to your mind. It's the most beautiful, most enjoyable thing I can give to the students. Guna. So OA in obese, OA in lean, the treatment differs. OA in obese, you go for Rasana Saptakam, Varunadi Kashayam, Gandharvastha Kashayam, Navagagukulu, Shabdaranam, Kotajukadirevam, Prapanjanam like approach. No need to write 5 to 10 medicines. You need not load the prescription. One medicine you can write, 2 medicine you can write. That depends on the yukti and the freedom given to the doctor. But when a lean person comes, you will be writing Dhanvantaram there. Vada Vittashavanam, Madara Rasam, Madara Vibhagam, Shida Viryam, Asti Viseshatvam, Adakaya Viseshatvam. Dhanvantaram and Vidari are same. They are Madara Rasam, Madara Vibhaga, Shida Virya, Snikta Guna. But Balasuddhi of Vidaryadi is Urdhujatru. Balasuddhi of Dhanvantaram is Adojatru. So Dhanvantaram Kashayam, Gandhadailam, Lakshadidailam, Tiktarasena Kshira Gridadi Beshadam, Negrodadi Ganasiddha Kshiravasti, Sandaniya Ganasiddha Kshiravasti, Lakshadisiddha Kshiravasti, Asti Sringala Churnam. So all these things are given in Krisha Dehi, where Levanam and Ruksha Kriyas are not done wide in practice. So Kashayam, Stula Dehi already we have discussed. Yogarada Gugulu and Mahayogarada Gugulu. Many people think Yogaradam is not available, Mahayogaradam give. Yogaradam contains 27 items, Mahayogarad 31 items. And the Nagam, Mangam, Yasadam, Yagaguna Sinduram are there in Yogaradu. Balasuddhi Visesham is there, Anubana Visesham is there. Pumsavanam is the yoga, Pumsavanam. Shukradadu, Doshagaram, Pumsavanam are the Visesha Balasuddhi told in Yogarada Guru. Whenever you study a yoga, you should see the Visesha Balasuddhi. Siddhobaladi, Karavada Dagam. In non-diabetic sensory neuropathy comes, Siddhobaladi should come along with that. Mudavada Anulomanam, Thali Savatradi, Vari Varinam, Agastya Rasayanam, Medyam, Pushmanda Rasayanam, Pittashamanam Medyam, Bela Dailam, Lagu Sagajaradi, Vasti Undaliga. All these things you have to understand the Vishesha Palasudhi of the yogas. The Vishesha Parasuti is very interesting. They click. Taila Snegavanam obeys. Yusham is the Anubanam. Tailam is acidic. Yusham is alkaline. So we will be giving Yusha Anubanam for Tailam. Sakajaradi Tailam, Gandha Tailam, Ganantara Tailam are given. The Samula Haridagi. The Samula Haridagi only the word. Vishesha Parasuti of the Samula Haridagi. Amavadam, Amalabittam, Shukradavasham, Vrishanashodam, Hydrosil, Varicocil. Amavadam is not a chapter in Ashtanga Hridaya. The Samula Haridagi talks about that. Amalabittam is talking about that. So these are all Kamsa Haridagi. Brahma Rasayanam, 3000 Amalaki is there. It is called the Abhayamalaka Rasayanam. In Vadaraktam, Vadapradanya, Vadaraktam like Jogram syndrome. Jogram syndrome is a type of arthritis where eyes will be dry, mouth will be dry, vaginal part will be dry. Ruksha Vriddhi, Ruksha Pradanya, Vada Pradanya, Vadaraktam. There you will be giving Madhura Rasam, Snigdam, Kredayukta medicine, Vidaryadi, Sadavaryadi, Bala Sadavaryadi, Kshira Bala, Madhuvishtyadi, Mahadiktagam, Kshiravasti, Brahmarasayanam, Shavanaprasam, Kushmandam, Pravala Vrishti, Purna Chandrodayam, all Madhura Snigdam Vadaraktagram in nature. Jogran syndrome, Correcto conjunctivitis sicca, that is one of the complications. We are going to talk about that if time permits. Maharasnadis, Vadakapagaram, Kinjit Brahmanam, Palasruti Visheshatvam, Prakshepa Visheshatvam is there, Adhamoda Mandal Prakshepam, Tairasnagavanam in lean person. Kshirabala is better. Kshirabala is also Vada Gajambu Sarasam, Brigatvada Chintamani, and obese person, Udvartanam, Churnam, Pinta Svedam, all these things are done. In lean persons, when circumstances are favorable, avastha is demanding, Mamsakidi, Navarakidi, Pidichal, Yaganga Pidichal can be done. Quadriceps exercise, hamstring exercise, vastus medialis exercise, weight reduction is common to allopathy, it's common to Ayurveda. So it is not an invention. Vasudeva Nambudisha told in a recent seminar about Susurdas says Vyayamam is for 3 doshas, Vadam, Pittam, Kapam. So I have forgotten the quotation. So Vyayamam we should do. Abhyangam, Kayasegam, Sashtika Pindasvedam is there. Madhudeniga Vasti. Many people give Anuvasanam before that. If it is Madhudeniga Yavanam, Anuvasanam is not needed. Madhudeniga Nirugam Anuvasanam can be given. It is a Siddhavasti. It can be Ekavasti also. Pramegagaram, Gulmagaram, and all Ushna. When Ushna Virya Devas are needed, you can go for Pratanjukadi, Kolagulattadi, Gragadumadi, Nagaradi, Sadakvadi, Yerandabijadi. When Pittanavandam is needed, you can go for Eldan Nichadi, Marmaguliga, Karitavatti, Guduchipatradi, all these things. In Siddha there is Musambaram Patti, Muttapatti. There are so many pattus are there. These pattus can be used intelligently. Then mixed connective tissue disorders. Connective tissues are the structural portions of our body that essentially hold the cells of the body together. Connective tissues are disorders featuring abnormalities of the collagen and elastin. We have SLE is a very common disease, crust syndrome, calcinosis, Raynaud's phenomenon, esophageal dysmobility, sclerotactile telangiectasia, crust syndrome. I have seen cases. Whatever the rheumatologist sees, we also see because of the reputation and the long existence of the hospital. Raynaud's phenomenon, Damani, Anguli, Sandinam, Sankojam, telangiectasia, petechiae, purpura, edematous face, skin induration, the stiff elastic fingers. We call it a purse-like mouth. You cannot open like this. You cannot open like that. Even in the mouth you find so many interesting. Recently I found, you ask the patient to open the mouth and ask him to put the tongue out. Then you put a torch. In many Ayurvedic clinics, torch will not work. It will be very tired. You should have a powerful torch. You put that. Some people you cannot see anything. They have sleep apnea. Their collar size will be very big. Some people you are able to see little. That is pitta. Some people you are able to see all over India. All the areas you will be able to see. That is vata. So this is called the stiff neck sign. These signs can be used to understand vata pitta kapha in the body, like thumb sign, ring sign. They are used in anthropology, morphonoid tendency. They used to do thumb sign, ring sign, and all these things. We have incorporated all those signs in the assessment of Prakriti, because even when you are sick, you have constipation or you have diarrhea, these signs will never change. Whereas you ask, well, what is your desire, which taste you like, he may tell sour when he is sick, he may tell sweet when he was not sick, and you may be misguided. So the digit calcinosis cutis, we call it evaprakya, the second Kshudra Roga, that is in, you see, interstitial fibrosis, pulmonary fibrosis, pericarditis, heart failure, arrhythmias, proteinuria, all these come. You should be aware of all those things. Sjogren syndrome, dermatomyositis, SLE. SLE is very common. Any young girl come to you with polyarthralgia, with low hemoglobin, IES or evening lysa fever, with proteinuria, thrombocytopenia, hair loss, may or may not have malar rash or the butterfly-like rash. In Indian population, for this color you cannot see the butterfly-like rash. But very commonly seen, sometimes SLE, lupus psychosis, lupus nephritis, phospholipid syndrome, they get abortion. I got a case, phospholipid syndrome, we treated SLE with conventional Vadarakta, Pitta Pradhanya Vadarakta protocol. Then we went to Prajasthabana Gana Yoga of Charagam Sutram, 4th chapter, and made Gridam and did Snegapanam for Prajasthavanam, repeated abortion, and due to Bhagavan's grace, Anugraha, it was successful. It is a multi-system inflammatory disorder of autoimmune origin. You see the butterfly rash, you see disc-taped discoid rash, arthralgia, there is no arthritis, 95%, fever 90%, swollen joints 90%, fatigue 80%, rash 74%, anemia 70%, renal damage. That's why I tell you to take microalbumin, albumin on the day one. Otherwise, the nephrologist may get angry and tell, hey, you have given some metals and steroids. If you give steroids, it should come down. You don't give steroids, you don't give either metals in this case. So only by good practice, knowledge-oriented practice, ethical practice, having orientation in other systems of medicine, never criticizing any system of medicine. Modern is needed, Siddha is needed, Ayurveda is needed, Naturopathy is needed. We all have got our role to play. Now you see a disease, COVID, everybody is trying, and still we are struggling. So we should be together. Sampurna Chikitsa, that's very important. Butterfly rash, sensitivity, and hair loss will be there, clotting problems, and mouth ulcers. It is non-destructive type of thing. Pulmonary hypertension is seen, cognitive impairment, headaches, fits, ischemic stroke, psychosis, meningitis can come. SLE is a very vast disease. It will take 2-3 hours to take the class. Antiphospholipid syndrome, you will be checking antiphospholipid syndrome, anticardiolipid syndrome, ANA. ANA will be positive in 8% of rheumatoid. Rheumatoid and the SLE can come together. That is called Rue lupus. Rue lupus. Both can come together. Anti-CCP will be strongly positive. ANA profile, ANA Western blot, DNA, dsDNA will be positive, complement C3, C4 will be very low, thrombocytopenia, leukocytopenia will be there. Classical woman patient, we have seen, we have admitted, and lots of case studies are there. This is ANA profile, wonderful test. We can find many diseases. This is Pitta Pradhanya Vada Raktam, Tiktarasam Pajanam Rakta Prasadana Ushada, then Madhura Rasa Ushada, Bahir Parimarjana Kriya, Kshira Yukta Snigdha Virejana, Dara, Vasti, Rasayana, Uduchiyadi, Amruda Ushiradi, Vachana Amrudam, Kokilaksham, then Madhura Rasa, Vidaryadi, Drakshadi, Tiktam to Madhura. Then Snegavana, Tiktagam, Mahadiktagam, Padoladi, Madhushtiyadi. Then Kshiravada, Madhushti, Balaguduchi, Murivanna, external. Then Virejana, Kalyanaga Gulam. Kalyanaga Gulam contains Tirvrit, it contains Teradaila, it does not contain Tirda, it is a Pumsavana Yukta Virejana. In Pitta, Tirvrit is selected. So Kalyanaga Gulam with the Kshiram 20 to 40 grams is given. In bottom of the year, already I talked about that. Kashayam, Guduchiyadi, Sadavari Kshira Kashayam, Lagubandamura Kshira Kashayam, Sudarsanavadi, Kaisora Gugulu, Amrada Gugulu, Guduchi Sattva. Then Vasti, of course, Kshira Vasti, Rasayana, Shavana Prasam is the Rasayana. So, SLE, what I want to say, these autoimmune diseases, many diseases, we are able to manage well. I have got very successful rate in ankylosing spondylitis. If you ask me in the spectrum of diseases, sir, tell me which disease you can confidently treat and give at least 70% of improvement, I will take ankylosing spondylitis case. We would have treated thousands, and there is people sometimes come with fused neck and they cannot do like that. It will be 10% improvement. But once you pick up earlier, we do better treatment with modern medicine. We can bring, now they go for biological infliximab, very costly, immunosuppression takes place. So we have got a very great role to play, and I will try to meet you again, and so much to talk, so much to talk, and when circumstances are possible, we will talk, and I thank Jignasa for this wonderful opportunity. I enjoy talking to the students. So many people call after hearing Jignasa class. It's a privilege, it's an honor, it touched my heart, and the senior person I thank, my student from Pankaja Kasturi. I do not know anything, I just sit to teach and treat. All these things are possible. You are able to see me because of my secretary manager, brother, Mr. Saju. I am thankful to him for this wonderful, making things wonderful. Nowadays, every day I take class like this only. I think this will be the future trend, we do not know. I thank you very much. So once again, thanks for everything.
The question that okay. This is kind of
transverse myelitis is another spectrum. It is a Urustabam spectrum of disease that is different. That has nothing to do with other inflammatory conditions, spot spine, tubercular arthritis and all. Tubercular arthritis, allopathy is better. They do surgical correction and put them on ATT. And mechanical conditions, spondylolisthesis, spondylolysis, pars interarticularis deficit and all, we manage very well. Most of the time surgery is not needed. This transverse myelitis is Vada, Kapha, Meda predominant. Panchakarma is contraindicated. Sneganam is contraindicated. Sagajaradi Kashayam, Shabdaranam, Udvartanam, Eladi Udvartanam, Abhayarishtam, Pippalyasvam, Solpalasuna Bindam, Ashtakatvaradailam, Saindavadi Dailam, Leganavasti, Vardhamana Pipali, like that we have to do. In Urustambam is another beautiful talk. In another occasion, I will talk elaborately. Many people have a wrong idea about Urustambam because if it is a parasympathetic pathway, erection should have been mentioned, which is not mentioned in the text. Bladder feature is not mentioned in the text. Fecal incontinence is not mentioned in the text. Headache is mentioned. Fever is mentioned. So it's a metabolic constitutional problem affecting the brain. Patchy arachnoiditis or demyelination producing paraplegia with spontaneous recovery. That's the reason why swimming is allowed. Swimming against the current of water is the treatment. It's a very big topic. Coming to the transverse myelitis, it has nothing to do with rheumatological issue. It contains neurological autoimmune or neurological demyelinating disorder. In another occasion, I will tell or I will answer those things. A lot of questions are there.
One question.
Let me see that.
What is simple anuloma home remedy in Pitta-Vata condition like that? What is best Mridu Virejana in patient having abdominal pain after taking Avipati Churnam?
Mridu Virejana, Avipati Churnam, Kalyanaka Kulam, Kritya Virejanam, Ashtanga Hridayam, Sukumara Legyam, Vit Vibandeshu Sasyade with hot water, Uttama Virejanam, Misraga Snegam, Shyamadiganam, Prasasthalin, Yerandadayalam, Uttama Virejanam. Tilvaga Gradam is not in practice. Tilvagam controversial. In here we take Gavakshi, Indravarini, which is also a drastic purgative. Jayapalam is a drastic purgative. So without any disturbance, if you want Sugumara Legyam, Haridagi Kashayam with Ushna Jalam is best. Okay, Namaskaram, Santosham, Santosham.